In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice on Freshbooks. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or anyone in charge of billing clients, knowing how to efficiently create and send invoices can save you time and help you get paid promptly. Now, let's dive right in. To start, once you're logged into your Freshbooks account, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, packed full of tools to handle all your business finances. But today, we're focusing on one of the key features, creating an invoice. First, we'll want to navigate to the Invoices section. You'll find this option in the main navigation menu on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click on Invoices to get started. This will bring up all of your past invoices, providing you with a quick overview of what you've already sent out. Next, you're going to look for a button that says New Invoice. It's usually prominently placed, so you won't miss it. Click on New Invoice, and this will open up a new form. This is where you will create the invoice that you'll be sending out to your client. Now comes the important part, filling out the invoice details. FreshBooks makes this part straightforward. You'll need to input some key information, starting with who the invoice is for. Type in your client's details. If they're already in your contacts, FreshBooks might autofill them for you. Then specify the services or products you provided in the description area. Be clear and concise here so your client knows exactly what they're being charged for. Each line item should include a description, rate, and quantity. FreshBooks will automatically calculate the total for you, which is a real time saver. You'll also want to set the due date for the payment. A general tip is to consider your usual client practices. For some, 30 days is standard, but it could be different for your business. You have some flexibility here depending on how quickly you'd like to receive payment. Don't forget about the taxes. If you're required to charge sales tax, you can easily add it here, and FreshBooks will update the totals accordingly. Before you finalize everything, it's always good to double-check your entries. Ensure that the numbers are right and that all fields are filled accurately. FreshBooks has a preview feature, allowing you to see how the invoice will look to your client before sending it out. This can be particularly helpful in catching any errors or typos. And there you have it. Once you're happy with everything, click Send to dispatch the invoice directly to your client's email. Remember that keeping your invoices professional and error-free helps maintain a good relationship with your clients and ensures timely payments. Thank you for watching and happy invoicing.